Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can get nice flawless skin with these ingredients. So I'm using cornstarch. You can get any brand, but I chose to use this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a teaspoon for this flawless look. And now I'm going to take some lemon juice. And I just used literally just like the regular lemon juice. You can use real lemons if you'd like. Just depends on your choice. And then I added just a little bit of water to the final touch, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just mix it in here. I can also use this, as I know, for oily skin, like for your T-zone area, and then you can also use it as the cornstarch you can use for like a setting powder. So this is the final ingredients of it all mixed up, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face. I did do a little mini Instagram video on this mask, so if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it's Mercedes-Benz with 3 S's. And so I'm just going in and blending it all over my face here. And I just took like a regular brush. So the brush is just, ooh, shoot. Did you see me drop that or not? Like, it kind of got a little messy, but not too bad. But I just used a regular brush to like blend all this out. What I mean by like a regular brush, as in like one of those, oh my gosh, I have like a tongue twist. What is it? The brushes that you just, like a facial brush there. I was like trying to get it out, but I just couldn't. So I'm just going in and blending it all over. It's a little bit sticky, but it definitely will end up hardening up after like 10 minutes. So I'm just applying it all over in the areas that I want. It almost kind of like reminds me of the stickiness from the Glam Glow mask, but it doesn't peel. But it definitely had like a little bit of similar texture. And now just going in over, just making sure I didn't miss any spots and just really just blending it out. I slowed down the video just a little bit because on Instagram you only have like a minute, so it's more sped up versus this one because I was doing a little bit more in depth. Alright, so now I'm doing the other side, making sure that it's all blended and whatnot, using my hands to dry it out. Clearly it was not working. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it off and give that a nice flawless finish before applying my makeup and everything. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think, and if you try it out, don't forget to tag me below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.